Hello everyone, welcome back. Recently, many people received their new iPhone. Some of you may want to restore a new iPhone from your old backup. But what if you forgot iPhone backup password? How to recover iPhone backup password? PassFab iPhone Backup Unlocker is the best answer to the question. You can get this software from PassFab official website or just click the link in the description. Now, run PassFab iPhone Backup Unlocker. Choose Retrieve iTunes Backup Password feature. Select the locked backup. Click Next. Then choose One Password Attack Method and click Start. Once done, copy the password. And you can use it to unlock your backup.